Hello viewers, today we are going to see exercise 7.4, sorry 7.5, starting number, question number 9 onwards. So what does 9 say? Integration of 3x plus 5 divided by x cube minus x square minus x plus 1. See this thing in here you have to remember one thing. 3x plus 5 is there and this value is there, but it is cubic equation. So cubic equation getting the root is little difficult, but I can tell you one thing. If it is plus 1, you have to see the last digit. Here it is plus 1. So plus 1 means either the root will be plus 1 or minus 1. That is the thing. So let us put x is equal to 1. The option is plus 1 or minus 1. So let us put p of x is equal to 1. Therefore 1 cube minus 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So answer is 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1. So answer is 0. See, when x equal to 1 means then x minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1 is a factor. You have to do long division. X cube minus x square minus x plus 1 x minus 1. So x square, so it is multiplied by x square because x into x cube, so x cube minus x square, right? So here you have to convert the symbol as minus plus, that is opposite. So it is, so x cube minus x. So the next thing is minus x. When you enter the minus x, it is not coming. So along with that, you are trying. So here you have to put, you are entered pulling down the two terms. Hence you have to put plus 0x. Plus 0x plus 1. Now put minus 1. X into minus 1 minus x. Minus 1 into plus 1 plus 1. So it is 0 after changing the symbol. Now what I am going to do is, this is your quotient. Quotient is x square minus 1, leaving 0x. So this can be written as, once again, x plus 1 into x minus 1 using the formula a square minus b square. So the factors for this is x minus 1, the whole square, and x, here 1 x minus 1. So x, this is first number and this is second number. This is first, this is second. So x minus 1 the whole square into x plus 1. This is the answer. Now we will go as usual. Now what we will do is, we will see in other. This we have been factors. This is the answer. Now we know the regular method. We will go as per the previous session videos concept. So one more method is there. I will tell you that method also. Synthetic division method. What is it called as? Synthetic division method. SDEM, synthetic division method. So x cube, I have to write the what? Coefficient of these values. 1, minus 1, minus 1, plus 1. I am writing the coefficient of this value. Minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, minus 1, plus 1. So 1, minus 1, minus 1, plus 1. Now you know that x is equal to 1. Put x equal to 1. So first term you should default, by default 0, 1. Then 1 plus 0 is 1. So 1 into 1. Do here multiplication. So 1 into 1, 1. So this becomes 0. 1 into 0, 0. That is 1 into 0, 0. That 0 comes here. Next, minus 1. Then 1 into minus 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. So minus 1, hence value is 0. Since the remainder is 0, the value comes like this, then this becomes, so 1 power less, 1 cube, x cube is the power. So 1 power less, it is x square plus 0x minus 1, simply x square minus 1. Now you know this is x plus 1 and x minus 1. That's all. This is called synthetic division method, doing like this. Okay? If you don't understand, please rewind and see it again. This method. Next terms, so you got like this. Now I have to write like a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 the whole square plus c by x plus 1 as usual. It is equal to 3x plus 5 by denominator. I am putting this only term as denominator. Now you have to take the LCM. So what is LCM? A into x minus 1 x plus 1, because here x minus 1 is there, plus b into x plus 2 because already x minus 1 is there, plus c into x minus 1 the whole square, right? So I told you the method, put x equal to 1 by seeing this. So this becomes x minus plus 1 means 3x plus 5. So x equal to 1, 3 into 1 plus 5, and this a into 0 plus b into 2 plus c into 0. Therefore 3 plus 5, 8. So 8 is equal to b2 2b. This implies b is equal to 4. I got b is equal to 4. B is equal to 4. Next, I am going to put x equal to what? Minus 1. Put x equal to minus 1. So it is 3 into minus 1 plus 5 is equal to, when a is equal to x equal to minus 1, this becomes minus 1 plus b into 0 plus c into, see here, one thing I should like to tell, if you put x, here it has x minus 1 whole square, sorry, x square minus 1 square, it is not x minus 1 the whole square, c is minus 1 like this, the whole square. So here a is equal to minus 2a plus 0, this is plus 4c, 3 minus 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3, 2. This implies 1 is equal to minus a plus 2c, dividing throughout by 2, it becomes like this. Now you know only this value, but I do not know this value. What I am going to do is put, I tell you one simple method, put a x equal to 0 and get the equation, you can solve it easily. And that is what I am going to do. Put x equal to 0 because that is another method, x equal to 0. So 3 into 0 plus 5, a into 0 minus 1, 0 plus 1, plus b into 0 plus 1, plus c into minus 1 the whole square. Answer is minus a plus b plus c. So minus 1 plus b plus c is equal to 5. Now you know that b value is 4. So this, when it goes, then it becomes minus a plus c, because b is equal to 4. That 4 is substitute and you will get 1 there. When 4 goes there, 1 minus this is. Now you solve these two equations. Am I making a mistake? Anywhere else? So minus 1, minus 2. I put minus 1, 0, minus 2, minus 2 the whole square, 4, minus 2a is equal to 2. 1 minus a is equal to plus 2c is equal to 6. So now add this two. So it is 1 minus a plus c, 1 minus a plus 2c. So minus plus minus, therefore c becomes 0. C becomes 0. How? I think I may make mistake with the B. Let me erase it and do it again. Because I am not getting the correct answer. Three x plus 5, I am doing by another method. A into what? A into x minus 1, so it is x minus 1 into x plus 1 plus b into x plus 1 plus c into x minus 1 the whole square. X minus 1 the whole square. Now, what to do with this here? I'll calculate like ax square. First, ax square, taking x square coefficient. So here 0, here a into x square plus bx plus cx square. So this shows a plus c is equal to 0. A plus c is equal to 0. Comparing the x quotient of x, it is 3. Here ax into 1 ax, ax into 1 ax. Similarly, so it is not possible because ax, this is a into x square minus 1, so no ax term. So here bx, then here bx, then here x square minus 2x plus 2. So it is minus of 2 into c into x, right? Here x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 2x into c minus 2cx. So xx will get cancelled. So here 3 is equal to b plus, so not plus, it is minus, b minus 2c. Then comparing constant, how will you compare? Comparing constant. So here a is minus 1, here it is 5, b is plus b, and c is plus c. So a plus b plus c is equal to 5. Now a plus c is equal to 0. So this will become 0. Therefore b will be 5. I got 4. Let us check whether a plus c, sorry, this is a minus b. We will put in the place of a minus c. So a is equal, minus a is equal to plus c. So b plus 2c is equal to, this becomes b plus 2c. Comparing this 2 and this 2, b plus 2c is equal to 5 and b minus 2c is equal to 3. Therefore I get 2b is equal to 8, 8 is equal to 4. What? Both the values I can't get. I am making somewhere some mistakes. So 8 and b is equal to 4, but here b came as 5. A plus c is equal to 0, this one, but a is equal to 4. A plus c is equal to 0, b plus 2c is equal to 5, so b is equal to 5, 4. Here you get b is equal to 4, here you get b is equal to 4, correct only. Then if it is 4, 4 minus 2c is equal to 3, so it becomes minus 2c is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 1, therefore c is equal to half. C is equal to half. So 4 minus 3 minus 1 is minus 1, so minus half. C comes to be minus half. Let me check the answer with the book because I am not sure about the answer. Next thing, substitute it is in any of the. So A is equal to plus half. Let me check with the book answer. Instead. Half, perfectly correct. The answer is correct. Now I got the answer correctly. Now let me rub it off all the answers here. Thank God I got the correct answer only. Sometimes I may not be in a position to get the correct answer correctly. It takes time. X minus 1, this is x plus 1. Okay, so here it has become integral of half dx by x minus 1 plus b is 4 dx by x minus 1 the whole square plus minus half dx by x plus 1. So this is half log of within modulus x minus 1. See here it is x plus 2 the whole power minus 1. So x power minus 1, 4 power 2 minus 1, 4 is outside, minus 2 plus 1, so it is minus 1. So that is the power is raised to the power minus 1. So this is minus 1, minus, so minus 2 plus 1 by minus 1. This minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. That I am writing it right. So it is half into log of x plus 1 plus c. So combining these two, so negative will come as denominator. So x minus 1 by x plus 1 minus 4. This will become 1 by x minus 1. This is power minus 1, hence it is minus 1 plus c. This is the answer. So I think book answer is correct. Half log of x plus 1 by x minus 1. So it is coming vice versa. Somewhere I am making a mistake. This is plus or minus opposite coming. How? So minus of x plus of should be minus. Here the question is coming x minus 1. Absolutely. X plus 1 half is this. X minus 1 is coming. I don't know where I am making a mistake. This is minus of and plus of it is coming. Let me check it once again. So just once again, let me see the video back again. 19 minutes over. Here the sum is, it is coming to be minus. That we have to check, how to check it out. So I check it here. Like if you add this two, so half will be there. So how to check it out? I put like this, a into this term x minus 1 x plus 1, no? So x minus 1 x plus 1. x plus 1 and x minus 1. Am I right? So this is x a into x square minus 1 plus b into x plus 1 plus c into x minus 1 the whole square. Now we have to consult with a and c. So ax square and cx square is equal to 0. A plus c is equal to 0. If it is 3x plus 5. A plus c, ax square plus cx square is equal to 0. And then here a, so minus a plus b plus c is equal to constant 5. B is 4, minus a plus c is equal to 1. So it is minus a plus c is equal to 1. A plus c is equal to 0. So it is 2c is equal to half. Oh, here I made mistake. So this becomes plus and this becomes minus. If it is so, this will become minus and this will become plus. When it comes like this becomes plus. I made such a mistake. X plus 1 and here it becomes x minus 1 because negative is carried by this. So this is the thing I made correction. Sorry for the delay in getting the answer. We'll go to the 10th sum. Because this sum is little bit tedious, but I made it somewhat in the first, not in the first chance, but in the second chance. No problem. Because I want you to take the concept correctly in mind. Next thing is, we'll go with the 10th sum. Two x minus 3 divided by x square minus 1, 2x plus 3 into dx. So see here, 2x minus 3, x square minus 1, 2x plus 3. So this can be written as a by x minus 1, a square minus b square. So it is a by x square x minus 1 and this becomes x plus 1 plus c by 2x plus 3. So this becomes 2x minus 3 by denominator. So once again I told you a into x minus 1 is a into x minus 1 is x plus 1 into 2x plus 3 plus b into x minus 1 2x plus 3 plus c into x square minus 1, that c square minus b square, 2x minus 3. Put x equal to minus 1. So minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 into 1 minus 3. So and this becomes a into 0 and this becomes b into x minus 1 is, so minus 1 minus 1, 2 into minus 1 plus 3. So what happens here? This becomes minus 5 and this becomes 0, cancel it, and this becomes and c into 0 because minus 1 is minus 1 plus 1, so value is 0. B into minus 2, minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So answer is B is equal to 2 by 5. Let me check the answer. 5 by 2. B is equal to 5 by 2. Let me check the answer. Now of expressions of cartridges. Currently 5 by 2. This is correct. Next we will go with the put x equal to plus 1. X equal to 1 is 2 into 1 minus 3 is equal to a is equal to 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5 plus b into 0 plus c into 0. So you got 2 minus 3 is minus 1, here 10a. Therefore a is equal to minus 1 by 10. Minus 1 by 10. So that is also correct. Minus 1 by 10. Next term is c. So for getting c, what I am going to do is, I am going to use simple term. That is, I am going to use only constant coefficient. That will be better, because for everything constant will be there. C is there. See, you can use any method like multiplying throughout and compare the quotient of x power and then x and then constant. I am applying like this, comparing constant. Minus 3, a into 1, 1 into 3. 3 ones are 3, plus 3, 3a. Next, b, minus 1 into b, minus b, plus 3, minus 3b, minus 3b. Then minus c. That's the thing. So you know a is, so a is how much? Minus 3 by 10. 3 is 5 by 2, and this is minus 3 minus c. So this becomes minus 3 by 10 minus 15 by 2, and when the 3 comes here, it is plus 3, and this becomes plus c. So LCM is 10, 5, multiply by 5, 10, and multiply by 10. LCM is 10. So what is 10? 15. So minus 5 5s are 25, balance 2, 1, 5, 7, 75, plus 30. How much does it come to? Minus 45. Minus 45 minus 3 is minus 45 minus 3 is minus 48 by 10. It is minus, divided by 2, minus 24 by 5. Let us check the answer with the more. Always have to recorrect it. 7.5, 10th sum, minus 12 will 5 comes, whereas it is for me minus 24 by 5. Maybe somewhere else I may make mistake. C is minus 24 by 5. If we differentiate this, 2x. So 2 should come there. So multiply by and 2, we will get that thing. Okay. Answer is correct. Now we will go with the C is equal to minus 24 by 5. Let me see the time. The time has got 29 minutes, so I will finish by under 5 minutes. If time permits me, let me do the sum in the next class. Because I don't want to put in hurry. So answer is 2x minus 3. So it is integral of a is minus 1 by 10 by x minus 1 dx plus integral of 5 by 2 x plus 1 dx minus 24 by 5 2x plus 3 into dx. So see here it is minus 1 by 10 log of x minus 1. Take 5 by 2, it is log of x plus 1, right? But here, if you differentiate 2x, differentiation of 2x is what? If I take t is equal to 2x, therefore dt is equal to 2 into dx. So I don't have dx, so it is dt by 2 is equal to dx. So if I convert this as thing as t plus 3, so you will have the integral of 24 by 5, 24 by 5, t plus 3 by dt by 2. So these two will get cancelled, it become 12. So this become log of t plus 3. Log of t plus 3 is 2x plus 3. T is nothing but 2x plus 3. So it is minus 1 by 10 log of x minus 1 plus 5 by 2 log of x plus 1 plus 12 by 5 log of 2x plus 3 plus c. That's the answer. Today I am going to finish with this because half an hour has come for this almost. So we'll finish the concept today by this. Thank you viewers. Thank you one and all.